Item number 3, confirmation of minutes, ordinary council meeting, 26th of February. Any points of clarification of those minutes? Councillor Boddy.
Thank you, Your Worship. In regards to, I think it's on page 3, the petition in regards to Doherty Drive, what's the, right here, the staff are going to have a look. Is there any further developments? Or is it going back to Fred?
Mr. Green or Mr. Strongman?
So staff, we're going to have a look, which I believe is underway now, that we're then going to meet the chair of Fred committee out on site to bring something back to Fred. I think the next Fred meeting was our target.
We'll be at our next meeting of Fred.
Yeah, with
Thank
an
you.
action plan,
That's the
direction of work.
So, Doherty Drive is going to Fred with an action plan at some stage. Probably. Councillor Park.
Thank you, through the chair. I think there was actually a couple of councillors who were keen to have a look at that as well. We come up with these issues every now and then, and for us to just have a site visit and an understanding will make it easier going forward. So I'm just not quite sure how that dropped off.
So I'm sure that the invite can be extended to the other councillors at the time when the chair is going to be meeting.
Yeah, most definitely, or before the Fred committee we can have a site meeting like we've done previously.
Thank you. Councillor Inkling. So we'll be in touch. Just remember to turn your mics on. Okay, Councillor Boddy, thank you. Any other points of clarification of those minutes? If in the case, could I have a move for those minutes of the 28th of February? Thank you, Councillor Rankin, seconded by Councillor Park. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Those against? Carried. 3.2, ordinary council meeting on the 19th of March. Any points of clarification of those minutes? No, all pretty straightforward. Could I have a mover, please? Thank you. Councillor Jollins, seconded by Councillor Harvey. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried.